Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers, Technical Engineer 1 at ECOLAB International Corporation, Pune. ECOLAB Inc, headquartered in St. Paul, Minnesota, is an American corporation that develops and offers services, technology and systems that specialize in water treatment, purification, cleaning and hygiene in a wide variety of applications. It helps organizations, both private market as well as public, treat their water not only for drinking directly but also for use in food, healthcare, hospitality, related safety and industry. The company's food safety services provide consulting to restaurants, hospitals, food retailers and food and beverage manufacturing facilities. It was founded as Economic Laboratory in 1923 and renamed as ECOLAB in 1986. ECOLAB employs approximately 50,000 people and operates in more than 170 countries. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Now, let us check who can apply for this post. Any engineering branch graduates can apply for this post. For getting more details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. In this channel, every day 10 a.m. we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Post name is Technical Engineer 1. Job ID is R00133878. Category is Field Support. Location will be in Pune, Maharashtra. Job description. This is an entry-level position for professional engineering in which employees efficiently provide remote technical assistance to internal and external customers through troubleshooting, investigating and resolving standard technical problems for at least 2 or more ECOLAB technology used by customers. Perform system health analysis, demonstrates strong data analytics skills, possess through knowledge of applications and tools. Degree in an engineering discipline and fewer than 2 years of experience, possess knowledge in water chemistry. Specific guidance and training is given about the nature and extent of work required. Demonstrate moderate independence for functioning of at least 2 or more ECOLAB technology used by customers. Work is reviewed for the quality metrics and meeting the SLAs normally reported to Team Lead 1. Role is Technical Engineer 1. Function area is water treatment. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidate can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. From this company, you can apply for some more posts also. Technical Engineer 3, Job ID R134131 and Technical Engineer 1, Job ID R133274 and District Representative 3, Job ID R12876 are also apply for any engineering graduates, and I will provide all these job links in my description also. Any engineering graduates can apply all these posts. That's all for the details for this job opportunity from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day 10 a.m. we will upload government jobs and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.